Selamat malam Pak Sugianto. Terima kasih banyak buat kesempatan pada malam hari ini. Eh, Bapak adalah top leader dari Naturally Plus di Indonesia dengan memiliki puluhan ribu di dalam jaringan Pak Sugianto.
English.
Yeah. And now we want to hear from Pak Sugianto on how he has started in the beginning, how he started his business, and what made him successful in Indonesia. Okay, so Pak Sugianto boleh cerita sekali lagi buat kita Pak, buat kita semua yang melihat dan mendengarkan, bagaimana Bapak bisa kenal bisnis Super Lutena dan Naturalitas ini Pak? Kapan Bapak memulai juga?
Itu diawali di tahun 2010.
It started at year 2010,
Di bulan
October 2010.
Ada seorang temen itu dari Yogyakarta.
There is a friend from Yogyakarta in Central Java, Indonesia.
Dia chatting memperkenalkan produk lutein misalnya.
Oh, he did chatting with Pak Sugianto. Was it through BlackBerry Messenger maybe?
Itu kan lewat
Skype?
apa yang dulu itu dikenalnya apa ya?
Oh, chatting internet ya Pak ya?
Iya, chatting internet.
Oh, internet chatting dikenalkan Pak Sugianto. Pak Sugianto ada di
Di Jakarta.
Jakarta. Oh, from Yogyakarta to Jakarta internet chatting.
Saat itu saya tanya harganya berapa.
Pak Sugianto asked, how much is the price of one bottle?
Dia bilang 1.250.000.
Pada saat itu harga satu botol es Lutena 1.250.000. At that time, one bottle 1.25 million rupiah.
Saya bilang mahal itu. Nggak mungkin, saya itu mahal sekali.
Pak Sugianto bilang, oh, very expensive, cannot very expensive.
Ya, tapi teman saya bersama Yoko Hasegawa itu mau ada acara di Jakarta.
But Pak Sugi's friend had an event with Miss Yoko Hasegawa from Japan.
Nah, saat itu saya diundang. Ya, saya diundang karena tidak enak saja. Teman yang mengundang saya nggak datang.
Oh, at that time Pak Sugianto eventually came to the meeting because felt, oh, friend invite, I must come to the event.
Saya pun duduk di belakang, nggak mau duduk di depan.
Pak Sugianto sat at the back, not at the front.
Tetapi Yoko Hasegawa itu memanggil 10 orang untuk ke depan.
But Yoko Hasegawa called 10 person to come forward.
Saat itu suruh melihat huruf yang dengan mata satu begini, huruf yang besar, kecil.
Oh, Yoko Hasegawa asked this 10 person to look on the alphabets on the board and look for from the biggest alphabets and to the smaller alphabet.
Terus kejadian sekirinya juga begitu.
Oh, take turn. Right eye see or left eye see?
Nah, saya begitu kaget setelah dikasih 5 butir setiap orang. 5 butir.
At that moment, everyone was given 5 capsules.
Nah, selama 2 jam,
Oh, mesti ambil saat itu juga?
ya, jadi minum itu,
Langsung?
minum 5. Terus setelah 2 jam,
Okay. What happened? Yoko Hasegawa asked the people to take each of them 5 capsules, and after 2 hours,
saya begitu kaget,
I was very surprised.
ternyata dari 10 orang, 8 orang mengalami perubahan melihat huruf.
Pak Sugi was very surprised. Out of 10, 8% can see the difference when they saw the alphabets on the wall.
Saya di belakang langsung berdiri, wah itu apa betul itu? Nah, gitu.
Pak Sugianto at the back immediately stood up and said, correct or not? Is it for real?
Nah, ternyata itu benar, orang bisa melihat di bot itu tadi, itu bisa melihat perbedaan sebelum minum dan sesudah minum.
And it is true. Before and after, people can see the difference after take 5 capsule of lutein, super lutein.
Nah, saat itu pikiran saya bahwa wah ini bisnis.
Pak Sugianto immediately thought, Oh, this is business.
Saya bilang, saya mau join.
Saya mau join. I want to join.
Tapi teman saya bilang, Indonesia belum buka.
But my friends say, Indonesia for office not yet open.
Terus bagaimana saya bisa beli? Bisa join?
Oh, then how can I join? How can I purchase the product?
Oh, Singapura sudah buka.
Singapore has opened.
Akhirnya saya kumpulin teman-teman,
So I gather my friends.
saya jelaskan tentang S-Lutena.
I explain to these friends about S-Lutena, Super Lutin.
Akhirnya saya berangkat ke Singapura untuk join di sana.
Oh, so eventually Pak Sugianto went to Singapore and joined over there.
Nah, setelah 6 bulan saya belanja ke Singapura.
After 6 months, I purchased the product in Singapore.
11 Juni 2011 Indonesia, 16 Juni 2011 Indonesia launching.
16th of June 2011, Indonesia opened new office for Naturally Plus
Sampai hari ini.
until today. Wow, so Pak, selama 6 bulan Bapak terbang ke Singapura untuk sudah jalankan bisnisnya,
Iya.
meskipun di kantor Indonesia belum buka.
Dan belum dapat bonus.
Dan
Oke.
6 bulan belum dapat bonus.
Nggak dapat bonus.
So this is an important fact. NP office Indonesia for 6 months have not opened yet. But Pak Sugianto kept on doing the business, didn't receive any bonuses, but kept on doing the business. Kenapa Pak?
Karena kita apa namanya di sana nggak terima rekening Indonesia.
Betul. Oh, but what make you? Kenapa Bapak mau melakukan bisnis ini ya?
Karena saya lihat yang pertama produk bagus,
The conviction of Pak Sugianto see because the product is good.
yang kedua MLM dari Jepang,
Yang kedua MLM network marketing from the second one because it is a MLM from Japan.
itu
Yes, network company from Japan.
itu salah satu membuat saya ini mau, karena saya harus mengambil peluang.
I want the business because I need to take the opportunity.
Kalau saya tunggu kantor Indonesia buka, mungkin saya akan yang keberapa?
What was he doing?
If I waited for the opportunity for later, it might be later on for me. Pak Sugianto, may I ask you, what did you do? What was your profession? Apa sih profesi Bapak sebelum Bapak melakukan bisnis ini, Pak?
Profesi saya adalah the teacher. Ya, guru saya.
Guru,
Salary?
a teacher, di mana, Pak?
Di SMA.
Salary?
Okay. Pak Sugianto last time was a teacher in high school, and berapa gajinya dulu Pak Sugianto?
Gajinya itu dulu 200.000
200.000 satu bulan. Last time the salary of Pak Sugianto only 200,000 rupiah every month or $20 per month.
Ya, itu tahun 90.
This is in the 90s.
Now, when before he joined?
That before he joined. Yeah. 200,000. Wow.
2010? What was his name?
What tahun 2010 income Bapak berapa?
Nah, 2010 itu saya masih MLM yang lain.
Oh, 2010 Pak Sugianto did business with another network company or another MLM company.
Itu sekitar dapat 3 juta saya.
Oh, at that time Pak Sugianto received 3 million rupiah every month. And then Pak Sugianto, how did you build this business? Bagaimana cara Pak Sugianto membangun bisnis ini?
Ya, yang pertama saya belajar filosofi petani.
Oh, the first thing I learned the philosophy of a farmer.
Jadi petani itu menanam kelapa sawit. Itu 1 bulan kita belum bisa panen. 2 bulan sampai 5 tahun mungkin baru panen.
He likened himself like of a farmer, a palm oil farmer. For a palm farmer, the first 1-2 months no fruit, even sometimes up to 5 years no fruits yet, no harvest.
Tetapi setelah berbuah, setiap 2 minggu akan kita memetik buah.
But once it comes to full fruition, every week you will have harvest. You can have the yield of the crop.
Itulah yang saya terapkan kepada member-member saya di Naturalitas.
That's what I apply to my members in Naturally Plus.
Bahwa kita dari 1 tahun ke depan kita membangun dulu.
I teach my downlines, my member, for 1 year onward, keep on laying the foundation.
Terus kita berikan training-training,
And then we give trainings
termasuk bagaimana membangun sebuah impian,
and how to build a dream, to reach the dream,
bagaimana membuat dream come true,
bagaimana how to have dream come true.
itu
What
saya lakukan secara kontinu.
That I do it continually and consistently.
Okay, what is team strength now? The total team strength
Berapa sih jumlah
earning
timnya Bapak
earning
saat
every
ini?
month.
Dan income-nya Bapak per minggu per bulannya Pak?
Saat ini dolar saya ada 5.000 kiri, 5.000 kanan. Kurang lebih.
At this moment, I have 5,000 member on my left and 5,000, another 5,000 on my right.
Monthly income.
Dan income per minggu dan per bulannya Pak?
Per minggu satu ID bisa 45 juta, 40 juta, 40 sampai 45 juta.
In 1 week, his income up to 45 million for one position for every week. So it is around 4,500 Singapore dollar.
Okay.
So every month 180 juta up to mencapai. So every month up to 180 million rupiah or around 18,000 Sing dollar.
And the composition of his members, the members that he has, from what kind of background, income.
Oke, Pak Sugianto bisa cerita nggak? Karena saya sempat dengar dari Bapak, belajar dari Bapak, apa sih demografisnya membernya Bapak secara kelas ekonomi mereka, kelas penghasilan mereka sebelum mereka gabung dengan Naturalitas, Pak?
Sebagian besar member saya adalah middle ke bawah.
Majority of Pak Sugianto member, new member are middle and actually low income earner.
Rata-rata penghasilannya itu 2,5 juta per.
Averagely, they earn only 2 million rupiah per month or 200 Sing dollar per month. Averagely.
So how do they get themselves signed up?
Terus bagaimana cara mereka bisa daftar bisnis ini, Pak? Sedangkan income mereka begitu rendah.
Mereka tidak menggunakan income mereka untuk daftar, tapi mereka itu belajar menjualnya.
Oh. This is how they start. They start how to sell the product first.
Ada yang belajar menjual, ada yang membawa brosur saja.
Oh. Some of them just bring the brochure and just to sell the product.
Ada juga yang membawa botol kosong untuk sampel aja.
There are people only bring empty bottle as a sample.
Nah, kalau mau beli baru kolik saya.
And when that person found a person who want to buy, then the downline will call Pak Sugianto.
Saya bawakan satu botol untuk diberikan kepada yang beli.
So Pak Sugianto will bring the new bottle to the buyer,
Yeah.
to the consumer.
Where are the members coming from? Jakarta or different parts of Jakarta? I mean Indonesia.
Member Bapak itu datang dari mana aja Pak? Dari gimana Indonesia Pak?
Itu sebagian besar Jabodetabek.
Majority from Jakarta and the Bogor, Tangerang, Bekasi, Depok, Surabaya as well.
So once they start selling, how do they get them sign up as members?
Oh, begitu yang dari luar Jakarta Pak. Begitu mereka mau jadi member, bagaimana caranya Pak?
Ya di
Kayak yang dari Surabaya.
itu kan di Surabaya ada roadshow. Saya ke Surabaya presentasi, habis itu kan ada CS yang ikut ke Surabaya, jadi langsung beli di sana.
For example, out of town of Jakarta like Surabaya, Pak Sugianto will hold a seminar,
Seminar.
okay, and then accompanied by NT staffs, and they will have a roadshow over there, and they will sell the product there and then, and orang akan sign up di sana ya Pak ya. People will sign up there and then.
Kalau yang tidak saat itu mereka kirim KTP, dia transfer, kita urus, kita bantu.
Wonderful. So those who do not sign up there and then during the roadshow, they can still send their IC card, their identity card to head office through email, and then transfer the money in, and then we register them.
So what is the secret? I mean, if they only earn $200 per month, what motivate them to want to spend so much money to even sign up and do the business?
Pak, kalau income mereka begitu rendah, apa sih yang motivasi mereka yang cuman gaji 2 juta untuk menjalankan bisnis? Apa yang motivasi mereka? Bapak ada cerita mengenai mimpi umroh kah Pak? Boleh jelaskan sedikit Pak?
Iya. Jadi umroh itu adalah ibadah. Buat muslim itu ibadah yang penting, yang wajib.
For Muslim country like Indonesia, they have a contest to go to for umroh. It's a mini hajj to go to Saudi Arabia. And in the Islam religion is a very important way of worship.
Nah, kalau mereka dengan uang sendiri, mereka nggak punya uang.
If they depend on their own money to go for umroh, they don't have the money.
Tetapi saya tawarkan, kamu
But
mau nggak gratis?
I offer them, do you want to go for umroh fully paid, free for you?
Caranya, kamu sponsori 10 orang.
This is the way to do it. You sponsor 10%.
Ya. Maka kamu akan dapat 1 tiket free.
When you sponsor 10% with dengan pakai 1 tahun ya Pak ya,
Ya, saya tahu.
sponsor 10%, each of them sign up for 1 full year package, you will go for umroh for free.
Mereka bekerja keras.
They will work hard. They work hard.
Saya ditarget sama manajemen 50 orang.
Pak Sugianto.
Ya.
Pak Sugianto being given target by the Japanese management to
50, 50.
to find 50 people to go for umroh.
Itu.
When Pak? Kapan Pak?
Ya, pada saat mau mulai
The reason
2011 kah?
ini besok.
Oh, besok. Oh, the target for Pak Sugianto is 50 people go to umroh.
Dan kenyataannya sekarang yang berangkat 82 orang.
This is good news. In actuality, now 82 persons will go to for umroh instead of 50.
Bayangkan mereka nggak punya uang tapi dia punya tenaga untuk bekerja.
You can imagine, people don't have money, but they have energy to work hard.
Ya, kenapa saya begitu membuat mereka bisa, karena saya ingin ya berguna kepada orang.
Very good. Why I want to help them? Because I want to help other people and to be useful.
how to get them to sign on a 1-year package?
Bagaimana sih cara Bapak membuat
They don't
orang
have the
bisa
money.
sign up untuk program yang 1 tahun itu Pak, paket 1 tahun, ketika mereka nggak punya uangnya Pak?
Ya, jadi saya ada 2 pilihan.
So I have 2 options that I teach them.
Yang pertama adalah untuk orang yang sakit.
Yang pertama, for people who have health problem. The
Jadi-
first one.
Jadi kalau Anda mau sembuh, itu tidak cukup 1 botol, minimal 15 botol.
Okay. If you have health problem, this is the first way. If you have health problem, it's not enough for you to have to only take 1 bottle. You need to take 15 bottles.
Akhirnya mereka berpikir kalau 15 botol lebih murah harga.
So that's why they think, oh, if it is 15 bottles, then the price will be cheaper. 1 year package.
Yang kedua, saya tanyakan orang yang sudah sehat, punya uang, saya tawarkan untuk jalan-jalan gitu.
The second way, for those who are healthy and has money, I offer them for whole overseas trip, fully paid, free.